Hello Kenda friends, in today's video, we are going to discuss the best drum applications for Android. If you're an aspiring drummer or simply love the sound of drums, these apps will definitely enhance your musical experience. So let's dive in and explore the top drum applications available for Android users. RealDrum. RealDrum is the best drum application for Android users. With its realistic design and complete features, this application allows users to easily play digital drums. The app is equipped with various types of drums and other percussion instruments that can be chosen according to the user's preference. Additionally, users can create their own songs by recording the drum sounds played and adjusting the tempo and sound effects. RealDrum also includes a multiplayer mode where users can play drums together with friends or other band members online. Classic Drum. Classic Drum is a virtual drum application designed for Android users who have an interest in playing classic drums. This app offers an authentic experience in playing drums with realistic and responsive sounds. Users can choose from various types of classic drums available in the app and adjust sound settings such as beats, transposition, and volume. The app also includes learning features that allow users to learn and practice classic drum techniques through step-by-step guides. Drum Solo Studio. Drum Solo Studio is a drum application designed to enable Android users to create and record their own drum music. The app offers various types of drums and percussion instruments that can be selected and customized. Users can create their own drum rhythm patterns and adjust the drum sounds according to their preferences. Drum Solo Studio also comes with editing and sound mixing features that allow users to produce professional drum music. Furthermore, users can explore their creativity by adding various effects and filters to the played drum sounds. That concludes our discussion on the best drum applications for Android. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in finding the perfect app to satisfy your drumming needs. Don't forget to like this video, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching and keep rocking those drums.